We are talking a fair amount of sunshine here across the region as we head throughout the course of the day. Do have a couple of clouds out there right now, and we are still talking a fair amount of lake effect snow across not only the northeast, but even extending back across the Ohio Valley. Snow still coming down across Garrett County. That's where we have winter weather advisories and a few flurries even floating their way into our region this morning. You can see across northern Baltimore County near the Hunt Valley, even extending back towards Carroll County and Frederick County, getting on a few flakes here this morning. Good news is the ground temperatures are well above freezing, so not looking at any problems as you do head out and about here this morning. It's just something to keep in mind as you head out the door. Don't be caught off guard if you see a few flurries. Temperatures right now coming in right around 40 degrees. That's at BWI Airport. Our winds out of the west at 15 miles per hour, and gusty winds going to be an issue yet again today. These are sustained winds right now. You can see coming in anywhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could see gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour though as the day wears on, and that will give us a little bit of a wind chill factor as you do head out and about. So numbers this morning, the actual temperatures currently sitting in the 30s and low 40s, but once you factor in the winds, this is what it feels like. So this is what you need to dress for as you head out the door this morning. Many locations feeling more like the 20s. 27 is what it feels like in Aberdeen. 22 in Parkton. Feels more like 25 in Westminster. So some chilly stuff certainly out there for us. We do have some sunshine on tap throughout the course of today, even in through the day tomorrow. Still going to be talking a lot of sunshine here across the region. Winds will continue to be an issue, not just for today, but even in through the day tomorrow. Still going to be a bit on the breezy side tomorrow. Still could see winds gusting upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour. So keep that in mind here as well. 45 the high temperature today with a sun cloud mix, and we continue with some sunshine as we head towards the weekend as well with high temperatures in the low to mid 40s.